Hello, so the next question is, which of the following statement is incorrect? Rolling friction is smaller than sliding friction. Coefficient of sliding friction has dimensions of length. The frictional force opposes the relative motion. Limiting value of static friction is directly proportional to the normal reaction. So the correct answer to the following question is, coefficient of sliding friction has dimensions of length. So why? So sliding friction is given by F is equals to mu n, or mu is equals to F by n. So force and the normal reaction both are given by Newton, so the mu is dimensionless. Therefore statement C, or we can say that statement number 2 here, the coefficient of sliding friction has dimensions of length, is incorrect. And we know that rolling friction is smaller than sliding friction, which is a fact, and frictional force opposes the relative motion, which is also a fact, and limiting the value of static friction is directly proportional to the normal reaction, which is also a fact. So the only incorrect statement which is not a fact is this: coefficient of sliding friction has dimensions of length. Thank you.